Welcome back to my channel. SpaceX has fallen drastically, and everyone is wondering whether we should buy now or should we wait for it to drop further. The SpaceX stock fall recently has made everyone wonder whether this is the buying opportunity everyone has been waiting for. After an explosive run following its public debut, SpaceX has pulled back significantly from its highs, and whenever a stock drops, investors start asking the same question: should I buy the dip? And the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. This is because let's talk about why investors are so excited about SpaceX in the first place. This isn't just a rocket company. SpaceX dominates commercial space launches, and Starlink has become one of the fastest growing satellite internet businesses in the world. The company also has exposure to artificial intelligence initiatives through XAI related operations, giving investors multiple growth engines under one roof. That's an incredible power story. But here's the problem: the stock valuation already reflects a lot of future success. Many investors aren't buying SpaceX based on what it's earning today. They are buying based on what you believe it could become over the next decade. That's very similar to how Tesla traded for years, driven as much by future expectations as current fundamentals. And that's where risk enters the picture. Recent weaknesses in the stock doesn't automatically mean it's cheap. In fact, several analysts have argued that the recent pullback may simply be the market taking a breather after an extremely hype driven rally. A stock can fall 20% or even 30% and still be expensive if expectations remain too optimistic. History also gives investors an important lesson. Many of the biggest IPOs ever delivered disappointing first year returns after the initial excitement faded. That doesn't mean SpaceX will follow the same path, but it does suggest investors should be cautious about chasing momentum. So, what's my belief and what's my take? I think SpaceX is one of the most exciting companies in the world. The long term opportunity in launch services, satellite communications, and AI is enormous, but I'm not buying simply because the stock is down. A falling stock price doesn't automatically create value. For me, the key question is whether the company's future growth can justify today's valuation. If you're investing for the next 10 years, this dip could end up looking insignificant. But if you're expecting a quick rebound just because the stock is pulled back, you might be disappointed. So, SpaceX could absolutely become a fantastic long term investment. That doesn't necessarily mean today's dip is a perfect entry point. What do you think? Are you buying SpaceX on this pullback? Let me know down in the comments below.